Welcome to Innoven Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are making crispy and flavorful potato pinwheels. Perfect for tea time or your next snacks craving. Let's begin. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well, then add 1/3 cup water gradually to form a smooth dough. Pinwheels are named after their spiral shape that looks like a spinning wheel. This snack is popular in both Indian and international party menus. Cover and keep aside. For the stuffing, take 2 boiled and mashed potatoes in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 chopped green chili, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon cumin, and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Pinwheels are great for lunch boxes. Kid loves the shape and taste. Take some dough, roll it out into a thin circle. Roll the dough evenly to ensure even frying. Spread the prepared potato filling evenly. Now gently roll it into a log. Cut into small pinwheel shapes. For the coating, make a flour slurry by mixing 1/4 cup flour with half cup water. Dip each pinwheel in the slurry. Heat oil in a pan. Fry the pinwheels on medium heat until they turn golden and crispy. Always fry on medium heat to avoid burning the outside too quickly. You can bake these pinwheels too for a healthier twist. Don't overfill the roll or the stuffing may spill while frying. Potatoes provide potassium and energy boosting carbs. Coriander is rich in antioxidants and adds a fresh flavor. Home fried snacks avoid preservatives found in packaged foods. And that's it. Our crispy golden potato pinwheels are ready to be served. So crunchy outside and full of flavor inside. Follow Innoven Foods for easy recipes with a tasty twist. Thanks for watching and remember, good food brings good moments.